And we are back with another 70mai dashcam video. Today we have the new 70mai A810S, which is pretty much an update to the already well-loved A810 model we reviewed earlier in the year. The original A810 became a favorite of ours, offering reliable 4K recording, a compact design that fits neatly on most windshields, and strong nighttime performance with its Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which were some amazing specs and features at a budget less than 10,000 pesos. Now we have the new A810S, which delivers some welcome updates. The question is, what actually changed, and is the upgrade worth it? Let's get into it. Both the A810 and A810S share the same core identity and fundamental features. Each one uses a 4K Sony Starvis 2 sensor for the front camera, allowing them to capture sharp and vibrant footage in both daytime and nighttime scenarios. The two devices also maintain the same compact windshield-mounted form factor that doesn't take too much space and uses the same vertical swivel-style mount for easy angle adjustments. We still get built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity through the 70mai app, HDR support, loop recording, and the ability to pair them with a 1080p rear camera for dual-channel setups. For users who are already familiar with the A810, the A810S will feel instantly familiar. Now, let's talk about the actual upgrades. The A810S introduces a slightly wider f1.7 aperture compared to the A810's f1.8 aperture, giving its lens a bit more light-gathering capability. The front camera can now also record at 4K 30 frames per second, which adds more frames and smoothness compared to the standard A810's 4K at 25 frames per second. While the improvement isn't dramatic in real-world use, it still helps in dim environments or poorly lit streets. A more noticeable upgrade is the addition of buffered emergency recording, which captures a few minutes before and after a detected incident. This is extremely useful for understanding the events leading up to collisions or traffic disputes. The A810S also steps up its parking and security features. It now supports AI-powered motion detection, improved time-lapse surveillance, and what 70mai calls parking guardian. Take note that these features are only available when used with the 4G hardwire kit. These enhancements help the A810S perform far better as a 24/7 monitoring system, especially when the car is parked in public or high-risk areas. The A810S also introduces the 70mai Region of Interest or ROI algorithm, which is an advanced proprietary imaging technology that prioritizes and enhances license plates and road signs. Not to mention, it gets real-time battery voltage monitoring now, which can be a big help for those who had trouble with the older model draining their car's battery when in surveillance mode. Another big upgrade is the rear camera support. While the original A810 could only pair with a more basic 1080p rear camera with HDR support, the A810S now supports a new rear camera option, utilizing the Sony IMX662 sensor, which is part of the Sony Starvis 2 family. This gives the A810S noticeably better rear camera performance, especially in nighttime or low light conditions compared to the non-Starvis rear cameras offered for the A810. And no, A810 users cannot just simply buy the new Starvis 2 rear camera to replace their existing ones because the new one utilizes a male USB Type-C connector. But who knows, maybe 70mai can release a version of the rear camera that could. Storage capacity has also doubled with support for microSD cards of up to 512GB. Wireless connectivity has also improved thanks to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth Low Energy. The standard A810 could only transfer files with Wi-Fi 4 2.4G speeds, which wasn't necessarily slow, but not super fast either. So this is definitely a welcomed addition. One of the biggest upgrades, and one that matters a lot in hot countries like the Philippines, is the improved internal power system. Instead of the A810's lithium battery, the A810S uses a supercapacitor paired with a button cell backup. This makes the unit significantly more heat resistant, safer, and longer lasting under high temperatures. But it is worth noting that both the A810S and standard A810 are rated for the same operating temperatures of -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Lastly, the A810S now adds some voice control prompts, just like what the Omni dashcam model had.
Record video. Take photo.
Even with these upgrades, some aspects remain similar between the two. Since both dashcams use the same StarViz 2 sensor for the main 4K camera, their overall image quality and dynamic range stay pretty close. The A810S pulls slightly ahead at night due to its aperture and newer processing, but the improvement isn't so massive. Rear camera footage stays capped at 1080p resolution, although the new StarViz 2 IMX662 sensor does improve clarity and low light performance on the A810S. And like the A810, the advanced parking mode and remote monitoring features of the A810S require optional accessories, which adds to the overall cost if users choose to maximize the features. So the question is, should you upgrade? Well, if you're already an early adopter of the 70mm A810 and primarily use it as a daily driving dashcam without relying heavily on parking surveillance, the A810 still holds up very well. It offers 4K performance, good nighttime clarity, and a reliable feature set at a competitive price. But if you're coming from an older dash camera or none at all, and you're looking for a more nice and affordable StarViz 2 dash camera system, we definitely recommend the 70mm A810S. For pricing, the kit alone without the hardwire kit should range from 6,000 to 8,000 pesos. But upon checking online at the time of shooting, varying merchants may have different listings, so take note of that. All in all, the 70mm A810S is a good upgrade from its predecessor, offering stronger parking mode capabilities, larger max storage capacity, better heat resistance, and a noticeably improved rear camera option thanks to its Sony StarViz 2 IMX662 sensor. For drivers in Metro Manila or anyone who frequently parks in public spaces, the A810S's added security features make it especially worth considering. So, is this your car's next dashcam? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it informative, educational, or maybe even a little bit fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the 70mm A810S, and I'm Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.